All right, ladies and gentlemen, so checking back in, we have mined up 4.6 and 4.5 million. That puts us at what, a little over 9 million, and I just did a payout. So yeah, we're just a touch over 9 million. That means 9% of the way towards our goal of 100 million. And I'll show you guys what we're mining with currently. We're averaging a little over 200,000 coins a day. We're at 211,000 coins a day at the moment. And I do still have some capacity to add. So trying to get that up to 500,000 a day, but been super busy with other things. So just, it's been chugging away slowly. So up top, we have two 3070s, a 2060, two more 3070s, two 3070s, a 2070 and a 2060. And then two more 3070s right there. Other than that, I do have my Xeon computer that's running in there that gets about 5K on Random X. And then I have my office computer at the shop, and there is it was a 3070, but I changed it out. It's a 1080 Ti now, and then an 8-core Xeon that pulls about 3K on Random X. Now we do still have more 2060s over here. I need to get those cleaned up and gone through. I could put a couple of those on some of these rigs, like up top or even down there. But yeah, for the time being, I think the next thing that will be regularly mined on is this system. So it's probably not going to make much, being that it's only got a 4-core 8-thread Xeon in it. This one's the W3550. I looked it up online, and they struggle to pull 1K on XMR. They're around like 900 caches, so it's not much, but it is something. Probably not even worth it, like productivity wise, but you know, we'll put her in the fight. And then the graphics card it's got in there is a 650 at the moment. We are going to be changing that graphics card out because I have my eye on the what is the new low profile card that's a single slot? What is it, 3050? I believe it's a 3050. Anyway, it's got to be a lower power card, but there's definitely still some options that can make some hash, and then, you know, in turn make us some Shiba coin. A couple people have asked if I am going to sell the coin, and right now I'm just holding it. If it turns into something great, if it doesn't, you know what, nothing ventured, nothing gained. At our current productivity level, we are doing 1.4 million a week, which means 100 million. It's going to take a while, being that we're only a little over 9 million. So got to pump those numbers up. But we have those ASIC miners coming in, the little mini box miners. So I want to plug that into the calculator. Hold on. Ugh, I don't want to leak no information. Let me make sure there's nothing on my screen y'all don't need to see. Well, trying to do this all one take. Let me go unminable here. Let me go to ASIC. SHA 256. Okay. So those miners, I was told, do 3 terahash on low, which would be 5,834 Shiba a day, and 4 terahash on high, which is 7,700 terahash, or 7,700 Shiba a day. So if we turned on, you know, say 3 of them, that'd be 12 on high. That would add us 23,000 extra SHIB a day. It's not enough. It's not enough. We need more power. We need more power. Let's see here. We need some more GPUs, is what it comes down to. So put some GPUs on Kapow. If we added 100 mega hash on Kapow, that would be 42,000 SHIB a day. Well, at least I know what we're working towards. So with that being said, I wanted to thank y'all for coming out tonight. I will see you on the next one. Just doing a little update on this. I'm trying to do it once a week, so that way you guys can bask in my journey and ridicule me along the way. So anyway, guys, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.